Hello, my name is Gerald Cheney. I am the founder and CEO of Mobile Wallet Incorporated, and we developed a crypto ATM to be able to perform transactions, both deposits and withdrawal from your wallets, be it centralized or decentralized wallets. This video is mainly really to walk you through the features that we've developed. So I'm going to dive right in. I'm going to share my screen and then we're going to get started. So let's get it rolling. I also have my phone mirrored so you guys can see once we are doing the transactions. I'm using a Phantom wallet. It's a decentralized wallet, so we're going to go ahead and walk through that. So normally, you would see on here, we're going to click on Get Started. This is the application. I'm remotely logged in. The ATM is currently sitting at MTN head office in Douala, Cameroon, which is the economic capital of Cameroon. So let's jump right in. Okay, get started. It is designed for several languages. So right now I'm going to select English because they speak English and French on there. So the citizens of that country may be able to use the ATMs. These are the three operators that we have or three services that we do offer right now at that ATM at this point. We do offer MTN Mobile Money, which is a remittance service for peer-to-peer. Orange is also a remittance service for peer-to-peer. These two vendors, I just want to point out, they're the biggest in Africa. And also, they are now moving to South Asia as well. And then obviously we have crypto, which is what we're here for. So I'm going to walk us through the flow for crypto and to, show you guys what features we've developed. So if we come on the crypto, you could buy, you could sell, and you could resume a transaction. The resume transaction is if you start a transaction and you need to step away or you need to go somewhere, maybe go to the mall or go do some shopping before you come back, or if you're withdrawing from a ledger that takes a little bit longer, then you could resume the transaction once you get back. So we're selling. So I'm going to select sell. Below 10K, that's the local currency XAF, right? I'm going to enter my local mobile money number so I could receive an OTP for validation. So once I send that, it will send me an OTP to my phone. So we'll give it a few seconds. We should be able to receive that. All right, the OTP just came in and 629,505. 62505. So once we validate, it takes us now to our options. So these are the three chains that we're integrated with. We're currently integrated with Binance Smart Chain. We're also integrated with Bitcoin Chain as well as Solana. So I'm going to go with Solana. All right. And we want to receive local currency. And so if you turn your attention to my right, that is my Phantom wallet. This is what my Solana is currently right now. So I'm going to select Solana on here and we can add tokens. So long as we've integrated the chain, we can add tokens as we like. So right now it's asking me how much I want to get. I want to receive 5K. And I'm going to submit. It's going to send me a quote. That way I can see what the exchange rate is to be able to receive 5,000 franc CFA. So it is Solana. One Solana is at 169.98. That's the rate in the current market right now. The fee is $3 standard across the board. So we have that, and then Solana. That is what that is the amount of Solana that I'm going to send to be able to receive 5,000 franc CFA. And so this is the total, adding the fees. So I'm okay with that. I'm cool with that. We're going to go ahead and proceed. Now it's going to give me the wallet that I need to send to, right? So if you turn your attention over here, I have my phone mirror. That way you could see how it works. So I'm going to go into Solana. I'm sending because I want to receive cash, right? So I'm going to click on send and I'm going to scan the QR code that we have on for sending. Going to go to next. And for sending, I'm sending 0.0709. So 0.071. I'm just going to do 71. Just have a little bit of buffer on there. And I'm sending that. And I'm going to go into my transaction. So it does show that the transaction is successful. Just make sure that's the right transaction. And we can check that on the blockchain. So it shows that the transaction is successful. And then I'm going to stop sharing my screen and I'm going to have Boris share his screen. and we can take it from there. So, Boris, go ahead and share your screen, please. You can unmute yourself so we can, yep. All right. And I think we should be able to see the screen displayed on here. So we're just waiting for the transaction to be completed. So it's going to ping the blockchain and make sure that the transaction is completed. All right. As you can see, we have, all right. Boris, you need to speak so that the screen can come up.
Hello,
Mm.
it's can see this is the website.
Okay.
From
And can you show us the cash?
this cash. It's 5K now. So just withdraw it in the account.
Okay, thank you, Boris. I'm going to go ahead and take over the sharing so we could check my account and make sure that the transaction is completed on my end as well. All right, I'm back to sharing, as you guys can see. So I'm going to go into my Phantom wallet. So let's go into my Phantom wallet and check to make sure that the money has been. So this is what I sent. If you guys remember my balance before. So right now my balance has gone down, like you could see. All right, was just waiting for that to connect, but this is the sent transaction. I'm going to go ahead and that way you guys can see. So here's my Solana balance, and here is the last transaction that I just sent, and so that's completed. So again, thank you guys. We just wanted to show the features that we've developed with the crypto ATM, and looking forward to working with you. Thank you.